As the Bitcoin death cross begins to wane and the golden cross approaches, here's how to prepare. I'm Miriam Gruber, here to share with those of you who are holding or trading Bitcoin how to take advantage of the new low, which is going to hit the cryptocurrency market, as far as the financial advisors say. Now, the biggest thing to remember is to keep our emotions under control, to not take on the opinions of other people about this, or to get all hyped from what the news is saying about, oh, Bitcoin's this or that, to just stay clear of that kind of negative influence, because most times they are there giving that kind of information because they don't really want you to be involved. So, history repeats itself, and if we look back to the year 2015, where that was the time of the last golden cross, and what that means is that the 50-day market went above the 200-day chart and stayed above it, and the people who got on board with that had a real sweet ride to a really nice return of 91%. And that, wouldn't you have liked to have been in that one? I would have. Well, it's looking very much so that since in 2018, basically about 11 months ago, maybe it was at the end of 2017, we had a severe death cross, right? Where Bitcoin literally, the 50-day mark went way below and crossed over the 200 mark and continued to go down. And it's been a pretty bear market since that time for Bitcoin owners and traders. So, history does repeat itself, and we can see that these are patterns that come about. It's like a cycle that comes around and comes around. And really, I'm not a financial advisor, but the signs are really pointing to there being a really significant bull run coming for Bitcoin in 2019, maybe as early as June, at the end of March, maybe even. So, that's where it's really looking like the trade's going to go, the 50-day is definitely going to cross that 200-day mark. And if you have Bitcoin at that moment, and it will, all signs are pointing that it's going to continue to travel up, and you will really be in a great position to take full advantage of a terrific bull run. So, do I know all about this kind of stuff? Charts and reading the charts and predicting what's going to happen? No. And I'm really fortunate that I don't have to know that. I can learn a lot, and it's so interesting. But I rely on signals from a company that have been following these, following the markets and following how the patterns repeat themselves. And every time they see that it's going to be a good time to buy in, and when the market's low, that's when you buy in, and I'll get a signal that says buy in. If it's going to go down, I get a signal that says get out. And you can increase your Bitcoin between now and when the bull run starts. The more Bitcoin you have, the better off you are when it takes a terrific run up the scale, and you can possibly make a huge return on your investment. So if you want information where you don't have to learn how to read these charts, or how to know how to get in or out, and by having a company that really helps you, gives you that information, and so it helps you to make educated decisions about when to get in and when to get out, and how to take full advantage of the markets. click the link below to find out how you can have access to really sound signals that will give you accurate information. And, with having that, the emotions can be removed from it. You don't have to worry about whether you're going to miss out on maybe the greatest opportunity that could come our way in a long time. So, click the link below and start learning about how you can get these signals sent to you by phone. And it's as easy as sending an email to get your trade in or to get out. And they never have control of your money. So it's really you can earn while you're protecting, and that is a huge benefit to people who are with this company. So subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be keeping people posted on what the signals are doing and what the market's doing. And this could be one of the most exciting years of our lives. I may not be a financial advisor, but my gut tells me that this is something that we want to all be a part of. So click the link below. Make sure you subscribe and to hit the little bell so that you're notified when I put up another one of my videos on this. And I will be talking with you soon.